now we're going to learn how to sign up to Flipgrid and be ready to go on that. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to start again at Schoology, where hopefully you are, and then click on to your class. We'll start with 8A again because it's my first one. They should all look the same. And then we're going to go to our unit that we're currently in, which is Europe, and we'll click there. And we should see all of the stuff that's we've done already for Europe, and then we go down to the bottom, and again, you won't have this yet until Monday, but you should be able to see on Monday this 3:30 to 4:03 that week's materials, and so we'll click in there. And then if we look right at the top, where the first few things we're going to be doing are the circle of power and respect. And so if we click into the circle of power and respect, it will take you into all of the things you need to do for that on Monday. And so you'll do your weekly share of your Flipgrid, and then a couple of other things. But what we're talking about right now is how to get into Flipgrid. So I'm going to go ahead and right here I'm going to click on the Flipgrid, and it should take me to the Flipgrid that I've made for all of you guys. And so this is our little, think of it like a group where you're going to post these videos, right? And you can kind of see it starting to come up. And so it should, as long as you click this one, and if you don't know exactly where this is, or you can't find the link or whatever, here is the URL, flipgrid.com/Denker0443. And then the password is going to be Denker 2020 with a capital D. So capital D, ENKER 2020, no spaces. And we'll click Let's Go. It should go right in there. And here we go. You can already see that the share is available for this week. This is, the question is, do a quick share about the following question. Your time limit's 30 seconds. The cool thing about Flipgrid is you can record it as many times as you want. If you look at it and you decide, oh, I didn't like that, that wasn't good, then you can go ahead and get rid of that before you even submit it. So nobody has to see it if you messed up or something like that. The question is, if you could have any superpower, what would it be? How would you use it? Would you be a hero or a villain? Right? And that's our very first one. And so all you have to do to get into it is to click on this big green plus right here. Okay, so it pulls up that share. And if you've already done this one and you're looking for the other one, you can see that there are two topics here. And so I'll click right there, and this automatic first one that they set up when I set up my account is right here. It says say hello on Flipgrid. So if you want to practice, that might be a good one to practice on. And so we'll go into here, and I will click the plus, and it's going to ask you if it can use your video camera and your microphone. You have to say yes to both those things for it to work, and then you're going to either log in with Google or with the Microsoft. Okay, and so I'll click log in with Google, and it's going to log me in as myself. I think I have a bunch of Google accounts set up here, so I'll have to click on the one that's actually me. And I'm logged in. Okay, and so then it'll come up, and here we are. Here's your video. You can see right here that there's 30 seconds left. All right. It's not allowing it to go through because of the camera, right? I'm using the camera on screencast, so it won't let me do it. Okay, so as long as you have it available, you'll be able to go in there. You can add stickers to it. You can add different things. And then when you're done recording it, you just submit it, and it's as simple as that. Okay, and so that's how you get into Flipgrid. Once you're in, then you should be able to easily log in from then on, as long as you've given that permission the first time. So that's how you access Flipgrid.